In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix 0x80070157 error while updating Windows. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update. To run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, follow the on-screen instructions. It will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So simply run the troubleshooter. And after doing so, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart to Windows. Then go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Copy the first command SFC scan. Control C to copy. Control V and hit enter. Now the system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once the process is 100% completed, perform the second command, which is the DISM command. So after the SFC scan, perform next the DISM command. And after the commands have been successfully completed, type exit in the command prompt window. You have to patiently wait for that. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And we can also reset the Windows Update component. So go to the Windows search bar, type CMD again, click Run as Administrator, and copy these commands to reset the Windows Update components. All of these commands will be posted in the description box below. Control C to copy and then Control V and hit enter. Just wait for the process to be done. Now type exit, hit enter, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.